The next category we're going to talk about are converting our cell libraries, and we're going to do this in a couple of different videos. The first video is going to uh, talk about installing a couple of different utilities that we need. And this is going to save a lot of time in the process. We do have a situation where some of our cell libraries have parametric solids, especially some of our drainage and utility cells, our three-dimensional cells. And because of that, we have to use a couple of different utilities, but it is worth the effort. And so the first one we're going to look at is downloading and installing the scale model utility. And then the second one is the Ohio unit converter from the Ohio Department of Transportation. And so I have both of those tabs pulled up here. The first one is we deliver some older migration utilities. You'll see that it's only for 10.09. That's okay. Go ahead and log in and download this file, and then we're going to extract that. And then also go ahead to the Ohio unit converter page and log in and go ahead and download that application as well. What I did is I just extracted everything to a folder somewhere on my hard drive called Migration Utilities, and in particular, the folder that we care about is Scale Models. And even though the utility mentioned an older version of Open Roads, for the Scale Models, it doesn't really matter what version you're running. It's just a MicroStation utility anyway. And I went ahead and combined the Scale Models utility and the Ohio utility in the same folder here. Then I went in and I made some configuration file and put in, you'll see the syntax here that I created, and you'll see the path that I specified where the scale models is located, so you can duplicate this information. And then that particular configuration file, I located that in the program files, and then Bentley, and then it's going to be Open Roads Designer 2024 config and then APPL, and you'll see the file that I had here. You can call it anything you want to. Just give it the extension of CFG, and this will force that information to load every time Open Roads loads. And so just to test our configuration, you should be able to go to your key-in, and one of them is the scale models, one word, space start. And so if you type that in, then you'll get a warning screen and you'll get our migration utility application. The other one is this one, this Ohio DOT. You'll see the spelling there, space open, and we execute that one. And so that's where we want to be for that one. So go ahead and get those downloaded, get those installed, get the configuration file created and saved and stored at the location on your hard drive. And then in the next video, we will use those utilities to begin to modify our cell libraries.